if you need extra sleeping space or your kids love sleepovers. This Stairway Twin-Over-Full Bunk Bed with Trundle storage is perfect for your home. 4 open shelves located beneath the attached staircase provide ample storage for your little one's toys and bedding. High quality. Solid pine legs and a strong, durable frame ensure stability and durability for long-term use and can be separated into one twin, one full-size bed, and a twin-size trundle. Slat kit included, so box springs are not required. This bunk bed is designed with a clean silhouette and a hue of elegance. It suits all styles of home decoration and completes the look of any bedroom. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Overall dimension. 91.7 inches length by 51.6 inches width by 61.4 inches height. 10 slats each bed to support your mattresses evenly. No box springs needed. Recommend thickness: 6 inches twin for the top bunk, 6 inches to 8 inches for the bottom bunk. Number 2. Detachable Twin-Over-Full Bunk Bed, perfect for families with 2 kids. You can use this bunk when kids share a room or accommodate your overnight guest. And you can separate them into a twin bed and a full bed when your kids grow up and need their own space. Key product features. Number 3. Bunk bed with storage. This bunk features 2 beds and a bonus 2 underbed drawers and storage shelves under the staircase to provide space for extra comforters, pillows, linens, or other things you need to store, but want to have close at hand. Maximize the usage of your space. Number 4. Assemble needed. This twin-over-full bunk bed frame comes with step-by-step instructions and tools. Easy to assemble. Number 5. This twin-over-full bunk bed shipped in 3 boxes. If you don't receive them all at the same time, please wait for the other few days. Comes with a 180-day warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.